Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to update your apps or games on your PC. And I will show you this for Windows 11. So what we need to do now is go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. Then we are just right here in the Microsoft Store, and if you go here to downloads, you can find here all the updates and downloads. Now, right now I already updated everything. Oh, no, that's not true. But right now, if you can see it just right here, Microsoft People and the Xbox Identity Provider needs an update because that's available. So what we need to do now is click on update, and then it will update. If you don't have something standing just right here, we can also click here on check for updates. And right now, he will search for apps that need an update. So this is exactly how you can update your apps or games, and hopefully I could help you out. Alright, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.